Should you consider upgrading your first-gen AirPods wired charging case to the new wireless charging case? Check out the full review right now.
Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Mac. Be sure to thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and then enable notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos.
How's it going, ladies and gents, boys and girls? Jeff Benjamin with the 9 to 5 Mac. This is the wireless charging case for AirPods, a standalone option for those of you with first-gen AirPods who want to upgrade to a wireless charging experience. Now, the bad news is that AirPower, which is awkwardly advertised on the back of the box, has been canceled due to problems with development. So that is a huge disappointment. It sort of rains on the parade of the new AirPods because that was one of the main reasons why I was interested in the new AirPods and the new wireless charging case, because of AirPower and being able to charge multiple devices at once on that charging mat with full iOS integration. That seemed awesome. Unfortunately, it's no longer happening. So you're really gonna have to think about whether or not it's worth upgrading your first-gen AirPods, because really that's the only reason, well, not the only reason, but it's one of the main reasons why you would consider buying this standalone charging case, because there's no AirPods inside here at all. It's just a charging case that lends wireless charging capability to the first-gen AirPods. Now, of course, there are other reasons why you might consider purchasing this. Maybe you lost your original charging case, or maybe the charging case battery is no longer performing well. Those are reasons why you might consider upgrading. But to be honest, this thing is really aimed at least initially, first-gen AirPod owners who want to upgrade to wireless charging capability. So once you open it up, you see there's nothing inside because that's where you put your first-gen AirPods. So since you're literally just transplanting your first-gen AirPods into this new wireless charging case, you're not getting any of the new features from the second-gen AirPods. This adds no new features outside of wireless charging, so keep that in mind. So you're not getting new features like that new H1 chip with hands-free Siri, longer talk time, faster device switching, none of that. If you're a first-gen AirPods owner and you purchase the wireless charging case, the only thing you're going to be getting is wireless charging. And depending on your needs, that could be perfectly fine. That could be exactly what you want. You're going to pay $80 for the privilege though. But like I said, if maybe your battery's dead or you lost your original charging case, that's still cheaper than buying a whole new pair of AirPods, which start at $160. And you get wireless charging, which works with any Qi enabled charger like this one from Nomad, which isn't as cool as AirPower, but probably is the closest thing to it. But in my opinion, if you're just buying this for the wireless charging capabilities, you would have to really be invested in wireless charging. You would have to have multiple wireless chargers around the house. Perhaps you do, or maybe you have something like that Nomad charger, which is able to charge multiple devices simultaneously. The point is, you really have to love wireless charging if that's the only reason you would upgrade your first-gen AirPods with this new wireless charging case for $80. What do you guys think? Would you consider upgrading your first-gen AirPods with wireless charging via Apple's $80 wireless charging case? Let me know down below in the comments section. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. This is Jeff with 9 to 5 Mac.